What's the meaning of cline? Cline. Cline.
Cline. Cline. The term cline refers to a gradual change in the frequency of a particular trait between geographical populations of a species. This change may be due to environmental or genetic factors, and can result in the development of distinct subgroups within the species. Clines are often studied in evolutionary biology and population genetics to better understand how species adapt and evolve over time. The study of clines has important practical applications in fields such as medicine, agriculture, and conservation biology.